Let's talk about a dream that we all have. We all have this dream that we don't give a fuck about what other people thinks about us. Everybody wishes that we are impervious of what other people thinks of us. कि हमारे पास ये unmatched confidence हो कि लोग हमसे क्या बोल रहे हैं वो हमें फर्क ही ना पड़े. Like insult and haters just bounces right off us, just like bullets in Superman's chest. That हमें ऐसी एक perfect mental state पे पहुंच जाए जहाँ सारी insecurities खत्म हो जाएं. और जब हम ये बात खुद से फिर से बोलते हैं हमें ये realize होता है how fucking dumb we are. So how can we do that? There is a short and a long answer, and answer that really surprise you. So stick around. The short answer is तुम्हें इतनी परवाह क्यों है कि लोग तुम्हारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? The short answer is you're not a psychopath. Okay? क्योंकि caring what other people thinks about you that makes you a good human being. से सोच के देखो अगर तुम्हारे सामने किसी बच्चे को कैंसर हो जाता है and think you don't give a fuck about him and to think that you don't fucking care अगर तुम्हारी मदर को एक बस हिट करके चली जाती है and you're like that's not my problem. That would be horrible. Most of us forget about this part when asking this question. Yes, the opinion and perspective of other people can be stressful and they can causes us lot of anxiety, but that is pretty much everything good in our life, as well as they lead to joy, empathy and companionship. And seriously, who wants to get rid of this stuff? Whenever I hear people saying how do I stop caring about what other people thinks about me, अब मुझे ये समझ में आने लगा है कि what they really want is how do I manage what other people thinks of me. Now that's a real fucking question and that's bring us to the long answer. हजारों साल पहले जाते हैं and we human suck at everything. We are the worst creature to survive alone in the wild. We are pretty much bad at everything in nature. We are weak, we are slow, we can't climb trees, our teeth are like SpongeBob. अगर तुम humans को किसी और mammals के साथ compare करते हो, we are pretty fucking bad at just about everything. And the only thing that we have that made us the most successful creature in the entire world, that is our superior intelligence. Our intelligence evolved because we are highly sociable creatures. जैसे चीता बहुत फास्ट है और एक गिरगिट रंग बदल सकता है, हमारी इंटेलिजेंस और सोशलाइजिंग एबिलिटी इट इज व्हाट गॉट अस हियर, व्हाट हेल्प्ड अस टू सर्वाइव एंड रेप्लिकेट टू द पॉइंट वेयर मैं यहाँ कैमरे के सामने बात कर रहा हूँ और तुम दूसरी तरफ उसको सुन रहे हो. सोशेबिलिटी एंड सोशलाइजेशन इज लिटरली इंग्रेन्ड इनटू आवर नर्वस सिस्टम. हमें वी नीड टू इंटरेक्ट विद द अदर ह्यूमन टू स्टे फिजिकली हेल्दी एंड मेंटली स्टेबल. मोस्टली हिस्ट्री में हम बहुत बड़े ग्रुप्स में नहीं बट 30-40 ज्यादा 100 की ट्राइब्स में रहते थे एंड दीज ट्राइब्स आर एक्सट्रीमली क्लोज knitted. We only survive because of our team effort. Social relationship, they are all dependent upon each other for survival. So if you got a Adimana version of Elvish Yadav over here who just keep wasting food, making bunch of noise at night, शिकारियों के शिकार करने का टाइम होता है, the other 29 people of the tribe will be pretty fucking pissed at him and he will be get thrown out of the tribe immediately and he's dead. Humans are so weak, so fragile creature that we cannot survive alone in the wild. So as a result of it, now we equate rejection with death because in the past being rejected by the tribe is equals to getting killed. That's why social rejection is utterly painful. इसीलिए rejecting by that girl you like so much. मेरा point बस ये है the feeling of dependency and हम बहुत ज़्यादा concern होते हैं what other people, what our tribe thinks about us. That is a completely natural part of human existence and that is something that everybody experience on a certain extent and everybody has to learn to cope with it. Let's talk about what make modern life so awesome. You got fucking video games, you got air travel, you can see the whole world. मगर the best thing that this modern life has to offer, अब हम किसी एक ट्राइब पर डिपेंडेंट नहीं है. If you can choose what tribe you want to be part of, तुम अपनी ट्राइब चेंज कर सकते हो और अगर तुम्हें कोई ट्राइब ऑस्ट्राइज करती है या रिजेक्ट कर देती है तुम कोई दूसरी ट्राइब ढूंढ सकते हो. That would be way better for you. एक और पॉइंट हो सकता है इसको सोचने के लिए that तुम कभी सोशल वैलिडेशन सीख करना बंद नहीं कर सकते. तुम हमेशा क्रेव करोगे सोशल वैलिडेशन के लिए. तुम ये चेंज कर सकते हो कि तुम्हें कौन से लोगों से सोशल वैलिडेशन चाहिए, कौन से लोगों को तुम्हें इंप्रेस करना है और तुम ये कर सकते हो कि द पर्सन दैट यू आर सीकिंग वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम आर वर्थ इंप्रेसिंग और नॉट. और यही प्रॉब्लम है विद द मोस्ट पीपल हु आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम दिस प्रॉब्लम. दे सराउंड देमसेल्फ विद प्रीटी शिटी पीपल एंड बिकॉज दे आर सराउंडेड बाय प्रीटी शिटी पीपल एंड देयर इज नथिंग वर्स देन ट्राइंग टू गेट वैलिडेटेड बाय समबडी हु इज सुप्रीमली सेल्फिश. इंस्टेड नॉट केयरिंग व्हाट अदर पीपल थिंक, जस्ट फाइंड बेटर पीपल एंड सराउंड योरसेल्फ विद पीपल दैट यू एडमायर, दैट यू वांट टू बिकम लाइक, पीपल हु कैन टीच यू समथिंग, पीपल हु रिस्पेक्ट्स you, who respects your journey. So it sounds so fucking simple, right? No. The problem is it's not that easy to find people who you really bond with. The harsh truth of the day is that if you care too much about what other people thinks about you, it's probably because you don't have something more important to care about. Think about it through experiment. Think एक बिल्डिंग चल रही है, उसमें एक बच्चा बंद है और ये बात सिर्फ तुम्हें पता है और you start running towards that building and you are surrounded by people who don't know this shit, who is saying to you, what the fuck are you doing? Are you really that dumb? But I have to save that kid and you start running towards that building. Would you care about the people who who's surrounding you, who's bullshitting you on why you being such an idiot, would you stop? No, you absolutely fucking not. You don't give a fuck about what the people on the street thinks, right? There's a fucking kid who's about to die and you need to save him, and when it's come down to this, you don't give a fuck about what the other person beside you thinks. और तुम्हें ये परवाह भी नहीं है कि तुम खुद उस बिल्डिंग से बाहर आ पाओगे भी या नहीं. But eventually when you came out of that building with the kid saved, everybody will cheer for you. Wow, what a hero you are. You would be like, that is such an extreme example, and it is. But same principle plays throughout of your life. तुम दूसरों के बारे में केयर करना जब बंद कर दोगे, when you have something more important to care about, when you have something worth doing, worth being embarrassed over, when you believe in something so intensely that's it's so important to you, you are willing to lose friend or the respect from your neighbor. That's when you stop caring about what other people thinks. And of course, the irony of this, when you do that, everybody will start respecting you. So you have to do it on your own. Get to work.